Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is thelmaiyagba. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking on another video. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a no makeup look. You apply makeup, but very likely that people will really notice that you're wearing makeup, right? Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. It's very beginner friendly, so if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please do keep on watching. Hi guys, so we're going to start off by applying sunscreen to our face, just a tiny little bit. So next I'm going to be priming my face with the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. So I'm going to prime the places where I'm usually oily, which is basically my T-zone, my forehead and my cheeks as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is set my face with my pressed powder. I'm not going to use a setting powder for this because it's a no makeup look, so we don't want to be looking too matte or too dry. So next up guys, I'm going to be covering the spots on my face with my concealers. I'm going to be using both LA Girl Pro Conceal concealers. I'm going with the lighter one, which is Warm Honey, and then I'll go over it with Fawn because Fawn is almost my skin tone. So because we don't want to be using too much foundation in this look, so just dot it in the areas you want to cover. I'm going to be using this small blending brush to blend it out. Just basically tap it into that area. So now I'm going in with Fawn. I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender to blend everything together. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my face with the highlighter from one of the highlighters from this Makeup Revolution palette. So I'll be using this one, this golden one. Highlights my cheekbones, my forehead and my nose, everywhere that I'll normally highlight. So now I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes just to cover the dark circles there. While that is drying down, I'm going to use this glitter glue to brush my eyebrows, basically. I don't want to use soap, so I'll use glitter glue. I'll put it on my spoolie and use it to brush my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to blend out the concealer. So next up guys, I'm going to be using my foundation, Maybelline Super Stay In coconut 355. So I'll just put that everywhere on my face. You guys can see the highlight I put initially is still showing from like within, so that's why I did that, so that the highlight comes from like within instead of the way we normally have it. I'm going to set underneath my eyes with Zaron Cosmetics Face Definer, the highlight powder here, and I'll also contour very lightly with the contour powder. I'll apply a little bit of blush, tiny little bit. I'll set the rest of my face with my Milani pressed compact powder in medium. I'm going to go in with my Zaron eyebrow definer, the brown shade here. I'll put my spoolie on it and basically use it to just tint my brows a bit. I'll just clean it up a bit with very little foundation. I'm going to be using the Zaron Lengthening Mascara for my lashes. Underneath my eyes are a bit oily, so I'm just going to set it. So I'm going to line my lips a bit, just very lightly, not too much. I'm going to go a very tiny little bit of this because I just want that pink vibe or pink color. What do I mean by vibe? That pink color. No, we don't have pink lips, so I mean. Okay, where's my lip gloss? Now going with a clear lip gloss over it. Walked in looking like a snack. Hey. I think I want to add a little more blush, just tiny little bit more. So here you have it, guys, my no makeup routine for beginners. Anybody can actually do this, anybody. You guys can see the highlight I put underneath is still popping. See, that's still popping. Yeah, even the one on my nose. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I was able to do this for you guys. Thank you for sticking with me up until this point. I'll see you guys in another video. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, very important.